Hi guys, it's Dion again with another furniture makeover. I'm calling this my Moroccan border Bohemian vintage wardrobe. I have been painting this for you guys in video after video after video, and I pretty well did all of it while filming, but there were a few things, of course, I did first thing in the morning or late at night that I had to run out here, and I had a little wild hair and I needed to mess with it a little bit. But for the most part, I showed you step by step of how I created this finish using all DIY paint. It's a clay-based paint. It's my absolute favorite. The border is an IOD transfer. IOD stands for Iron Orchid Designs, and I will link these in the bottom here in the description. All of the colors I used are Black Velvet, Fancy Farm Girl, Bohemian Blue, Queen Bee, Summer Crush, Marquee. Oh man, I used Golden Ticket, which is our metallic. You see the copper finish there? That is something that I mixed a little bit of the Marquee with into the Golden Ticket, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. This coming up is me in the process, so you can kind of get an idea of start to finish, just these little snapshots. They're busy, kind of blurry, but you can always go back to the previous videos here and you can see me painting them for you live, and I'm actually telling you step by step. Here is me applying the transfer. It comes perfectly on a 3-foot roll, but I actually cut it into sections and then distressed it. Here is white wax, which really gave it a soft, beautiful finish. Thanks again.